Good morning everyone. So, matagal-tagal din di tayo nagka-video kasi meron tayong problema sa ano natin, sa boses. Okay, so kagabi nag-send ako ng daily analysis on the Discord natin. So, hope may nakakita nun at may nakapag Soggy King or SGC kasi may SGC din doon sa break ng 2035. So, unahan natin si Soggy King. So this was the candles before I put the analysis sa Discord natin. So meron kang bullish push dyan na bumagal. Okay, so created a resistance here, the London, and parang may bullish siya dyan. So, and then this candle was ito yung last candle before the opening of New York. Ito. So expect ko na magbe-bearish siya but hindi totally bearish kasi hindi niya nabasag si 2038, di ba? Kung titingnan natin the body, kung zoom in natin. So the body was not broken. Okay, so inintay ko pa. When the body was broken, dito yung entry ko, around 2037 mahigit. Ito yung week na to. So this was the body. Ito yung kung i-invert natin, so kung inverted, baliktarin natin. So it's like a Soggy King setup on the overlapping. Okay? So hindi niya na-break but ninintay ko pa rin to. The second, third green here didn't execute an SGC since wala namang catalyst masyado. And it's Tuesday. Meron pang Wednesday, 3 times swap. So maybe meron pang nakahold ng cells. So yun yung nasa isip ko. With the body was broken, itong bullish body na to, yung low nito, na break nitong New York Open. So, nung na-break siya, I was targeting here. Okay? So, kung ma-break niya dito sa 2037, then I will enter a sell. Okay? So, hindi ko hinintay yung 2035 because I was waiting for an inverted Soggy King setup. So, close bearish, break the body. Okay? Sabi ko, okay, break the body 2037, put my stop loss at 2041. Okay, 2041. So 2037 to 2041, that's around 40 na 40 pip range. Kasi alam naman natin kung sukatin natin volatility during overlaps, it's around 40 to 50. Okay, so kung susukatin nyo itong mga overlaps na to, yung range ng candles is around 40 to 50. So I'll put my stop loss sa entry 2037, put a stop loss 40 to 50 pips away. Okay, 2041 was the stop loss. Send ko yung result dun sa Discord natin. Screenshot ko na lang. So that was the setup. So inverted Soggy King. So saan yung target? So the target was here. The target for inverted Soggy King is the Asian support. So ito nakita natin dito, Asian support, 'di ba? Meron kang Asian support diyan. So wait lang. Okay. So targeted the Asian support here. So ito yung sabi ko na magbe-break dito. So green, closed bearish, created a resistance, high volume push. Okay, na-break siya. Pagka-break dito ako nag-entry ng Soggy King. Wick higher. Dito nag-wick siya. Then bumalik naman ulit. Put the stop loss at 2041. Break that 2035. Nung na-break na, natulog tayo. Hindi na natin hintayon. uh, ano pa siya, nag-shoot below 2030 but the TP was around 2032, 2033, parang gano'n. So, nung umangat siya, bumalik ulit, I think naka-TP ako dito banda sa, pagka gising ko ng mga 3 or 4, dito banda. So, that was an open TP. So, pero dapat dito lang yung TP mo kung hinahintay mo. Kaso natulog tayo, hindi na natin nantay yung natin, ang position. Right? Okay. So that was the idea behind that Soggy King setup. Pero kung ano ka naman, SGC ka, so you can enter a break below the 2035. Nilagay ko naman to yung London support, break below 2035 during overlapping will take the price down to the overlapping support. So, Kung ito, dito ka nag-entry sa 2035. So, sukatin natin. If you entered here at the break of the 2035, your stop loss would be above this. Ito. Yan. So, meron kang console dito konti. If you enter the 2035, ito yon SGC, parang SGC siya. Green, then break at 2035. So, dito ka mag-enter. Dapat dito lang sa 2035. Okay. Ganon yung magiging entry mo. And your TP would be 2026 banda. So, hanggang ngayon, di ka pa nati-TP or nag-stop gain ka na. Okay? Your stop loss just above this consolidation or yung resistance. Ito yung resistance ng London. Just above that one. Ito. Okay? So, yun magiging setup mo kung nag-SGC setup ka. So, a break of 2035. So, bakit natin nasabi? The break of 2035, merong push pababa. So, ganito yan. So, here, you can see in Asian consolidation. So, bilugan natin sa Asian consolidation. This is a weak support, diba? Weak support. So, your price went up as high as nag-create ng high sa London. Swing low, nag-swing siya ng low, created a solid support there. So, a solid support was created at 2035 level. That is a support created during a high volume time, which is London. Tapos, bumalik siya, umangat. Then, patapos na si London, created the resistance at the New York session. Okay? Overlapping. So, bakit hindi tayo nag-bullish setup? Kasi, wala naman akong nakitang catalyst na magpo-push kay gold higher. So the catalyst kung bakit tayo nag-bearish sentiment is the easing tension between Israel, di ba? Yung Israel na tension sa war is nag-i-ease na siya, easing tension, parang may peace talks na nangyayari. So I think maybe market will price in some uh, tag nito bullishness for gold for USD. That's why nag-ano na lang ako, inverted soggy kick na lang ang sinabi ko dito, not a not an SGC na breakout. Okay? So that was the idea, that was the catalyst or the fundamentals behind the mga sentiment. Sentiment lang naman tinitingnan ko. It's not the data. Sentiment 'yun. So created a support in the London. So I was treating the London support. This is a solid support. So kung breakdown siya, be-break niya yung solid na support. And then that volume will not respect the Asian consolidations or Asian volume. Di re-respetuhin. Kaya yon nag-overshoot, then bumalik, then overshoot again. 'Di ba? So ito yun, Asian volume support. Hindi nire-respeto ng volume ni overlapping. Okay? Bakit dalawa yung magiging So, yung inverted Soggy King, ito lang yung support. Kasi ay yung entry mo sa inverted Soggy King dito sa taas. So, sa 2037, dito banda. So, magiging TP mo dito, yun yung inverted Asian volume. Yun naman yung conditions sa Soggy King natin. So, wherever the Asian volume is, yun yung magiging Soggy King TP mo. 'Di ba? So, kung hindi nyo na matandaan, i-review nyo na lang yung Soggy King setup. But if dito ka sa break ng 2035, your target should be around the strong support naman sa overlapping. Kasi dito ka nag-break sa overlapping, binirek mo yung malakas na volume, then doon ka papunta sa malakas na volume din na support. Okay? So, that was the idea behind this trade. I hope may nakuha naman kayo. No? It's a combination of the Soggy King at saka yung SGC. But, depende kung anong time kayo nag-entry. But for me, Soggy King ako. 2037. Hindi ko na hinintay yung break ng 2035. Nirisk ko na lang and put my stop loss at 2041 para makuha natin yung medyo malaki-laking profit. Nakasecure around 2030 or 2032. Send ko na lang yung result mamaya, no? Dun sa Discord natin. So, check out our Discord and subscribe kayo dun dito sa YouTube natin. So, next next lesson for the Magic Knights would be the risk management. So, video will be released around just, Saturday, Sunday siguro ang release pagka natapos nyo na yung Soggy King assignments nyo. So, good luck everyone and have a profitable week.